5 Windows 11 settings you should change right away. Enable file extensions. Go to search and type in File Explorer options. Select View and uncheck Hide extensions from known file types. Now you'll be able to see file extensions like PSD, JPEG, .x, and so on. Disable personalized ads and tracking by Microsoft. Go to the Settings app, Privacy and Security, General, then turn off all 4 sliders. Disable apps from accessing your location. Go to Privacy and Security, Location, then uncheck Location Services. Enable Dark Mode. By default, Windows 11 comes in Light Mode, but if you prefer to save your eyes at night and enjoy a nice clean black aesthetic, go to Settings by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard, then click Personalization, Colors, and then choose Dark from the Choose Your Mode menu. Change your default browser. Go to Settings, Apps, then Default Apps, click on your preferred browser, and then select it for all these file formats. And that sums it up for 5 Windows 11 settings you should change right away.